clean car isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Whether it's crumbs, dust, or dirt in those hard-to-reach spots, a powerful car vacuum cleaner can make all the difference. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best car vacuum cleaners of 2025, so you can keep your ride spotless with ease. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. SZUK 985000 PA Car Vacuum Cleaner, Strong Suction Cordless. 98,500 pascals suction power. Cordless and portable design. Handheld with multiple cleaning attachments. Ideal for cars, home, and tight spaces, this SZUK model is a powerhouse for its size. With nearly 100,000 pascals of suction, it tackles pet hair, dust, and even larger debris with ease. The cordless design gives you total mobility, making it perfect for cleaning both your car interior and household surfaces. Pros: extremely powerful suction. Cordless for convenience. Multiple attachments for versatility. Cons: strong suction can drain battery faster on max mode. Number 2. Wireless Mini Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. Compact mini design. Strong suction for small messes. Cordless, rechargeable battery. Suitable for car, home, and keyboard cleaning. If you want something ultra-portable, this mini handheld vacuum is ideal. It's lightweight enough to store in your glove compartment and perfect for quick cleanups, like crumbs or dust on the dashboard and seats. Pros: very compact and easy to store. Great for small, quick cleaning tasks. Affordable. Cons: not as powerful as larger models for deep cleaning. Number 3. SZUK High Pressure Car Vacuum Cleaner, 9998700 PA. Almost 10 million pascals suction power. High pressure cleaning for deep dirt removal. Cordless and lightweight. Multipurpose for car and home. This one is all about raw power. The high-pressure suction means it can pull out embedded dirt from car mats and fabric seats effortlessly. Perfect for those who need heavy-duty cleaning in a portable form. Pros: extremely strong suction for tough dirt. Cordless with good portability. Works well on both dry and embedded dirt. Cons: more expensive than smaller handhelds. Number 4. SZUK 985000 PA Mini Cordless Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner. 98,500 pascals suction power. Mini portable design for easy handling. Functions as both vacuum and blower. Suitable for car interiors and electronics cleaning. This version combines strong suction with blower functionality, making it a versatile tool for cleaning car vents, electronics, and tight spaces. The mini size makes it easy to maneuver in cramped spots like under seats. Pros: doubles as a blower. Compact yet powerful. Easy to carry and store. Cons: smaller dustbin means frequent emptying. Number 5. 290,000 pascals Car Vacuum Cleaner, Wireless Handheld Vacuum Pump. 290,000 pascals suction power. Wireless and rechargeable. Handheld with multiple attachments. Suitable for car, home, and even light industrial cleaning. With massive suction strength, this model handles everything from everyday crumbs to heavier dirt in floor mats and trunks. Despite the power, it remains cordless and easy to use, making it a great all-around choice for car owners. Pros: very high suction capacity. Works on multiple surfaces. Wireless convenience. Cons: heavier than ultra-compact models. And that's our list of the top 5 best car vacuum cleaners for 2025. For extreme power, the 290,000 pascals model is unbeatable. If you want compact convenience, the mini handheld options are perfect for quick cleanups. And if you want the best of both worlds, the SZUK 985000 PA Cordless Cleaner is a great balance of power and portability. Links to all products are in the description, so check them out for the latest deals. Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews.